Press and hold button for 2 seconds to turn on off the detector. Please click the button to view the following interfaces. Besides the meanings of the buttons explained above, let's take a look at the other basic functions of these 5 buttons. Press the left or right button to increase or decrease the current value. Then press the up or down button to switch to save or exit. And press the middle button to save the setting or exit the interface. In this screen, you can switch the temperature unit. The unit generally defaults to degrees Fahrenheit. In this interface, you can set the screen brightness. In this screen, you can set the desired language and the device will switch to your desired language immediately after completing the setting. After entering the reset interface, you can reset the device. After entering the alarm setting interface, you can set the alarm value. In this screen, you can calibrate CO, temperature, and humidity. Enter the CO calibration interface, where you can perform CO calibration. You can calibrate the temperature and humidity by modifying the offset value. In this interface, you can set the storage interval. In this interface, you will see the product information.